Okay, you can start.
Cool. Hey, what's good, everybody? It's your boy LPWHH, Buhang. LCNTV Radio Meg is definitely where you wait. If it's your first time coming across our content, please click that subscription button. LCN is out and about. Sise A to Z la sikhona. It's a music listening session. But mina ngakhuluma bese ngihamba manga. The good thing ukuthi abanikazi bendaba. They are with me vandag. Brothers, ninjani? Standard. Quick introductions. Ngapha beside siphethe bani? Siya the golden. Alongside with quality. Ngibona abafethu abasihlanganisile-ke vandag lana A to Z. Mhlambe nje quick one just nje ukusinikeza isithombe sokuthi kwenzakalani vandag la. Kungani silana?
Such as like A to Z.
Showcase.
It's our EP listening session.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it the first project?
Yeah.
Okay, you've been working as a duo from the start. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. Then first time ngithola ithuba lokuthi ngimamela umsebenzi wenu. You guys were at the Galadina, host Masipala. What a performance! Abayibona-ke they were like, bro, when uzwile but thina sibonile besibone nje umagic kamambela. Mhlambe the consistency, guys, what keeps you going? Alright. It drives really kanga because masisiyasheka la sikhona guys, the industry is more like non-existent like when it comes to entertainment siyazi uphuma nje soyishayela amabuye into Z, but when it comes to like industry straight as for ama-artists into ebuye futhi isenze sidoubt as ama-creatives, but you guys are going strong. Yini le drive kangaka kahle?
I shouldn't feel
Hayi, for someone ongakaze ezwe umsebenzi wenu, sorry to cut you, ningathi nenza hlobo luni lo-music?
Afro-pop music.
Okay.
Pop music.
Obviously, we're still going to capture a lot that will be going on ngaphakathi, making sure that they get the moment nabo. Nina nisithembisa ngale ukuthi thina we expecting the greatness lesiyazi ngayo. Nina nisithembisa. Alright. Ngaphandle kokuthi ngimoshele isikhathi senu, mhlambe banganithola kanjani social media platforms and also your EP sithola nini? Seyiphumile already? Okay. Then you drop a name and sithola kanjani?
Definitely, so we keep on the date after it's going drama.
Okay.
It's supposed to work on platforms.
Subscribe my handles.
Yeah, it's Wanity everywhere. It's Wanity. Underscore. Okay.
Alright, cool. Same goes. Just project nje nenathi nhlangane kuyo.
Yes.
Mhlambe nje uthanda izindaba, your relationship with Hot Sapphire? Because I wanna understand, like, it's union is stronger Mambela, so I just wanna get the point in about management, to see how things are working, like.
It had to fire
Yes.
shows we post. We sponsored by the
Oh yeah. They hosting an event in later no March. Are you guys on stage as well?
Definitely.
Standard. Should abangathola ithuba lokuthi babe nathi la namhlanje nakanjani i-date for le event no March kanje? 28 March venue. Poster obviously nathi sizakuthola singathatha. So yeah, make sure that you check them out and also do follow them on their social platforms. And you already know Lebuhan. Okuningi okuzokwenzeka la yalandela wena. Make sure that you enjoy. Cheers. Thank you much.
All right.